it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Apologies, the sun is beginning to creep round, so I'm hoping I will be able to do this before it gets too bright. So this is the second video on the swaps that I received from the team event up in Birmingham this weekend. So we had the cards earlier in the week, and now I'm doing the more 3D items. So I'm going to start with this lovely box, which uses the Rooted in Nature suite, and it's quite clever because you can open the whole thing up and it folds completely flat. So this is from Heather Goodman, and it contains a couple of tea bags. So really great to have just sitting around waiting to go. No storage issues with this, thank you very much. So that's a lovely idea, and I love that stamp set, really pretty. I don't have any other Rooted in Nature, no. So this one, I have to say I have no idea who it's from. We're supposed to put our names on the back and also what has been used. So in this case, it was in the box, so that's fine. But this has nothing. So I'm sorry, I don't know who made this, but I will enjoy that lollipop when I'm not on a diet today. So that's lovely. This is from Sylvia Lawrence. Sylvia is the most amazing crafter I have come across, or certainly one of them. This is a box, and it contains, bless her, a fantastic nail file, buffer, you name it, it does it. So very generous. There were 40 swaps in round figures, so to do this for everyone was very, very generous, and it's so pretty. So one of those, what you call them, simple but effective. Really, really pretty. This is from Sue Humphreys, yep, who goes by the tag Crafts to Enjoy. This is a tea bag holder one side and a little gift tag the other, and it's on the gift tag that she's put the recipe. I'll probably end up taking this to pieces to work out how she's done it, because I think that's really cute. They're all really cute, but I think that's particularly cute. This is from the lovely Michelle Last. It's been in my bag, so I need to do a little bit of running repair because the top of the apron has come off, but we've got a pair of scissors in there, and then a couple of sweets, and she's put her recipe inside. So very pretty, and of course it's black because it's Stampin' Up. So this is from Lorraine Williams, and it's a little post-it note holder and pen. Again, very generous. Then another generous one. This is supposed to be tied in a bow, but I've untied it. This is from Nicole. Nicole, whose surname I always have to struggle with. Nicole Fiornet, also known as Huguenot Girl. And it includes some biscuits. So again, on a not diet day, they may disappear. Really nice, simple but effective little project. I do like these ones that you just pull and out pops your little prissy. Really nice idea. So that's that. Let me put that with that, because then I'll know it's Nicole's. And oh no, not quite last. So this is the Varied Vases. This is from Rosa Johnson. And again, it's got a little sweet inside. Really pretty little box. Very cute. And it looks like it's... oh no, it's not a wraparound box. I thought it looked like it was a wraparound box, but it's not. And then she's used the vase as the closure. So really pretty. Finally, last but not least, this magnet, which is from Amy Nash. And she's called it a Polaroid Sentiment Magnet. So it's that Polaroid frame, which is why she's called it a Polaroid Sentiment Magnet. And huge, great magnets on the back. So yeah, really nice. So aren't I lucky? So I hope you've enjoyed seeing all of those. Lots of information about my team events over on my blog, which is linked immediately below. or certainly about my team. And if you've got any questions about signing up as a demonstrator, it's always a good moment to sign up. And as ever, it's £130 worth of products just for £99, and you don't have to pay postage and packing. It's delivered straight to your door. And you get free catalogues, you get access to the demonstrators events, you get access to my team events, my team leaders events. So lots of good reasons to sign up. And of course, if you sign up now, you get lots of new stuff out of the new annual catalogue, and you'll also be able to pre-order the new autumn-winter catalogue. I can't believe I'm saying that, when that goes live to demonstrators in a couple of months. So, thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!